Hello and welcome back, children. Today we will start with a poem. The title of the poem is Trains. This poem is written by James S Tippett. Children, do you like train rides? Yes, I also like train rides. Children, do you know about goods train? Goods train means the train that carries loads or things but not people, right? So now read this poem. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on. Through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Isn't it a nice poem, children? Here in this poem, the poet expresses the usefulness of trains in our life. Children, as we know that a train is a railway wagon which has many bogies and is moved by an engine. Okay? Children, here in the poem it is said that the train carries passengers, mails. Now what is a mail? Mail means the letters that you receive, right? So the train carries passengers, mails and goods through day and night, and the train always help them to reach in their destination or where they want to go, right? And the train moves over the mountains, plains, rivers and completes its journey, right? It carries the precious loads. Now, what are precious loads here? Precious loads are like passengers, all the mails and the goods. These are all precious loads. And without any fail, it helps all these things, means all these precious things to reach in their respective destination.